Usamas Plus project meeting the internationalization of higher education in India held at the University Bilbao, Spain, where it received commendation from European delegates. Goa is aiming to lead the nation by becoming the first state in India to implement a complete e-governance solution for the entire education system, spanning from primary schools to higher education on a single unified platform. The Goa State Research Foundation has trained more than 1,000 faculty members of higher educational institutions in Goa in various aspects of research, all around 60 research proposals of faculty members of various higher education institutes. Implementation of MAU signed with the leading industry partners IBM is enhancing and employability of technical students, facilitating skill building and competence development in the areas of information and communication technology. DJ Gift scheme benefits over 8,000 students every year. Under the coding and robotics education in school scheme, thousands of school students across the state are imparted coding skills, thereby enhancing their computational thinking abilities, creativity, and innovativeness. Hundreds of teachers have been trained to impart these skills across schools in the states. Equipments worth rupees 15 crore are supplied to over 400 schools in the state for upgrading ICT labs. Goa College of Pharmacy is ranked within top 100 pharmacy institutions in the National Institutional Ranking Framework, ranking by Ministry of Education, Government of India for pharmacy colleges. Skill development is one of the primary focus areas, and my government is enhancing the scope of skilling, reskilling, and upskilling of the youth in the state. More emphasis is given on apprenticeship. The Chief Minister Apprenticeship Program undertaken by our government in collaboration with various industries and private organizations has provided on-field experience and skill development for our youngsters. I congratulate Srimati Natsha Orastik Kalwalho, vocational instructor, and Sri Vijay Ganapati Chari, vocational instructor, carpenter, for having been awarded the National Teachers Award 2024 under Category 2 Best Skill Trainer, Long-Term Training of Craftsman Training Scheme, and Category 3 Best Skill Trainer, Short-Term Training of PM Vishwakarma Yojana, respectively. Goa is the only state to have Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and all the 10 government ITIs functioning under it ISO certified. Chief Minister's Kaushalya Path scheme has become a transformative initiative empowering Goan youth through skill development. Through this scheme, 255 individuals have been trained in a variety of short-term courses designed to enhance employability and entrepreneurship. Our government has issued a notification to all establishments in the state of Goa who engage any employee on regular, temporary, contract, apprentice, trainee, etc. to issue experience certificate to all such employees, candidates, so as to enable them to enroll, update their profile in the regional employment exchange. This initiative will assist the efficiency, sponsoring their names against notified vacancies that require experience in public and private sector. Prime Minister's Vishwakarma Yojana, the flagship of scheme for Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, has revived our traditional business, paving way for a brighter future of our artisans and craftsmen by upskilling them and by providing them financial support through bank loans. Our government is strengthening skilling initiative through the signing of MOUs with esteemed institutions in further reinforce skill development in the state with a vision of Skill Goa. I am happy to state that due to the boost given to the sports infrastructure by my government, Goa is set to become a vibrant sports destination soon. This has been proved with the successful hosting of numerous national and international sporting events during the last few years. I congratulate Sri Armando Anglao Colaco, our own Goan football coach, for being awarded the prestigious Dronacharya Award. He has not only guided our footballers towards excellence, but has also set benchmarks for dedication, determination, and passion in sports coaching. My government prioritizes inclusively in the sports ecosystem, be Fit Goa and Inclusive Goa. This has been proved through the organization of the International Purple Festival. The 24th National Para Swimming Championship held in October 2024 brought together 518 para athletes from across the country, showcasing their indomitable spirit. I am of the opinion that Goa should also be known as the preferred sports destination. Goa participated in the 68th National School Games in the age group of under 14, under 17 and under 19 years, boys and girls, comprising of 10 disciplines and won 2 gold medals and 1 silver medal. 16 players participated in Goa State Yogasana team at the National Yogasana Olympiad 24-25 held at Bangalore. Rupees 24.72 lakh has been released as financial assistance to 56 sports persons in indigent circumstances in the current financial year up to November 2024. Run for Unity was organized on the occasion of National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekata Divas, to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at state level as well as in all talukas. Our double-engine Sarkar has ensured Goa's remarkable progress over the past 5 years in infrastructure, be it roads, bridges, airports, and ports connectivity. Connectivity in the Manohar International Airport, Mopa, has got a big boost due to commissioning of the Mopa Link Road at an estimated cost of Rs 1,183 crore. Under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Government of India has approved projects amounting to Rs 102 crore for 62.62 km, of which Rs 61 crore will be contributed by the central government. It is my immense pleasure to mention that this shows out that India's first cable-stayed bridge built on a curve connecting Sada to Varanpuri and Goa International Airport has been commissioned. This will transform Goa's connectivity both within the state and beyond. Further, Government of India has approved an amount of Rs 750 crore for the road network of 7.24 kilometers from Margavo to Kangolim, which includes 4.45 kilometers of 6-lane flyover. The Public Works Department has completed 220 works under various sectors amounting to Rs 1,438 crore during current financial year up to November 2024. Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation has completed 12 infrastructure works amounting to Rs 480.49 crore in the financial year. Further 9 works are in advanced stage and will be completed during the current financial year amounting to Rs 222.94 crore. My government has undertaken several works across the state for conversion of overhead electric system to underground cabling at an estimated cost of Rs 1,130 crore. The conversion will drastically improve power supply quality and reliability in the consumers of state of Goa. Work of upgrading 220 kp XR line by replacement of existing AC SR drag conductor with HTLS ACC brake conductor from 220 kV Ponda substation to 220 kV Seldom substation at a cost of about rupees 46 crore is in advanced stage of completion. This will improve the flow of power between two main receiving stations in Goa, that is Ponda substation connected to western grid and Seldom substation connected to southern grid. My government is promising solar rooftops in the state for residential sector, including target set for 100% renewable energy through the launch of YM Vinmulya, which Yevjan 2024 to ensure zero electricity bill and free residential rooftop up to 5 kilowatts for residential consumers consuming 400 units or less per month for the last 1 year period. The state intends to provide subsidy on first come first serve basis to achieve the target of 10 MW of residential rooftop by June 2025 by de-wetlining existing scheme to the PM Suryagar Mat Bijili Yojana. The Goa Electricity Department will waive off all the charges in the electricity bill for the period of 10 years. Under the PM Suryagar Muft Vijay Yojana, subsidy has been released to 245 beneficiaries to the extent of rupees 2.33 crore. Under Ekapatma Ki Nam campaign, Goa State was tasked with planting 2 lakh seedlings across 300 hectares of area. Against this target, 5.39 lakh seedlings were planted in the area of 450 hectares by October 2024 itself, and Goa was one of the first states to achieve the targets set by the ministry. My government has given utmost importance on conservation and protection of groundwater and surface water. Looking at the rise in the groundwater expression, our government has taken proactive steps for curbing the illegal drilling of wells by enacting legislation in this financial year. Under the water development program, consist of 100 bandars has been taken up in this financial year, of which 70 bandars have been completed till November 2024. To provide alternate raw water supply to the water treatment plants in Asona, Porvaram, Chandal and Pilrin, and including Manohar International Airport from Chapora River, and to ensure 24/7 availability of water throughout the year of taluks of Bardas, Pernam and Micholim, a project costing rupees 25 crore, 250 crore is under implementation. 30% of the work is completed till November 2024. To improve water availability in the areas of Darbandora, Shiroda, Borim and surrounding areas, government has taken up raw water development project across Suhari River near Murabag and in Charchoram, which will store 31 lakh cubic meter of water and provide 30 MLD raw water supply to Panchavadi Dam, from where it will be used for drinking water purpose. The cost of project is rupees 240 crore. The project has been initiated during this financial year. Under Catch the Rain 2000 Nari Shakti Jal Shakti campaign of Government of India, awareness programs have been initiated to establish a strong connection between women empowerment and the sustainable management of water resources. Under the PM Gedi Shakti State Master Plan for Goa, as per the requirement, all the 30 mandatory layers on State Master Plan are mapped. Further, the additional data layers mapped the increase significantly from 76 to 146. Over 3,000 projects have been mapped onto the Prime Minister Gedi Shakti State Master Plan. My government has developed open online platform for enterprise network, India's first digital public good for industry governance, eliminating human touch points for progress, thereby significantly enhancing the ease of doing business. IDC Connect, organized by my government, has achieved significant reduction in industry grievances. The Goa Industrial Development Corporation Regulations 2023, introduced by my government, comprising of only 31 clauses, replaced the earlier regulatory framework, which cumulatively comprised of 53 clauses. The implementation of these new regulations has marked a turning point for the state, fostering a more investor-friendly environment. Following their introduction, the state witnessed substantial increase in investor interest. Recognizing the ease of exit is an essential element of ease of doing business. Government launched the exit support scheme in June 2024 to enable non-functional industries sell their assets and leasehold rights to potential investors through a liberalized transfer mechanism. All these above initiatives will help in contributing in achieving the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, USD 5 trillion economy of Bharat. During 2024-25 up to November 2024, Goa Investment Promotion Board has granted approval to 15 projects with proposed investments of rupees 1,459.55 crore and employment of 1,894 persons. During the same period, 11,766 MSMEs filed online Udayam registration with employment potential of 44,008 persons. Under the MSME Samadhan delayed payment monitoring system to micro and small enterprises, 79 applications have been reported in 24-25 with an amount of rupees 51.45 crore, out of which 30 applications have been disposed of amounting rupees 0.85 crore. During 24-25 of November, under the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, government has displaced subsidy amounting rupees 81 odd lakh, involving project of cost of rupees 266 lakh. During the same period, under promotion of beekeeping scheme, 29 proposals for 60B boxes have been sanctioned. Under the Goa Tribal Employment Generation Program Scheme 2017, an amount of rupees 122.60 lakh has been disbursed to 21 beneficiaries units, of which rupees 81.58 lakh is subsidy. Under Chief Minister's Rozgar Yojana, since inception, loan amounting to rupees 255.04 crore has been disbursed to 7,897 beneficiaries up to December 2024. My government has approved the revised Goa iron ore mining dump handling policy 2023, which allows it a e-auction unclaimed ore lying in the form of dumps at various private locations in the state. The government is eyeing a substantial revenue from e-auction of unclaimed iron ore heaps lying on private lands. 5 leases, each of basalt and laterite stone, has been granted under the minor minerals section for 2024-25 up to November 2024. 11 mining blocks are auctioned, out of which 2 have started operation. Another 2-3 will start operation in the next 2 months. This has resulted into revenue maximization and employment generation. 18 low-grade mining dumps have been put for auction with the approximate quantity of 52 million tons, which will earn sizable revenue to the state and will generate direct and indirect employment in the state. Applications are invited to sand mapping in Mandovi and Suwari rivers. Upon receipt of environmental clearance, sand extraction permits will be given in 12 zones. There are 1.93 lakh insured persons in the state of Goa covered under Employee State Insurance ESI Act as on 31/3/2024, availing medical treatment from ESI dispensaries and hospital. besides the benefits under the ESI scheme. Issuance of Social Security cards, smart cards under the GOA Employment and Retirement Benefits Act is in force. The number of smart cards issued in the workcase of November 24 is 1,02,125. The total organization of eSham portal in 74,477 as on October 2024. My government has given utmost importance for waste management. Goa is one of the leading states in the scientific treatment and disposal of municipal solid waste, biomedical waste and hazardous waste amongst others. The floating trash barrier has been successfully installed in St. Innes Creek, Panaji, Goa. This innovative solution aims to capture and collect floating trash from the creek, preventing it from entering the sea. The state government is in the process of notifying a policy to address the issue unauthorized recycling units, upcycling units or scrap yards. The policy objective is to provide for orderly registration of existing units, facilitate their relocation and ensure the removal of unauthorized units. The solid waste management facility at Saligao and Kakora has treated 86,373 tons of waste and the electricity generated is 88.68 lakh unit from April 2024 to December 2024. The common biomedical waste treatment facility at Kundayam has collected and treated 1,170 tons of biochemical waste from April 24 to December 2024. My government has successfully implemented the Honorable Prime Minister's Mission Life program by organizing life pledges, nature trails and other activities like promoting green eco-Ganesh idols, reclaiming of old clothes, wealth out of waste exhibitions, plastic-free campaigns, beach cleanliness drives for the eco clubs of all the schools of the state during the current financial year. Goa has been a noteworthy 21% growth. Goa has been a noteworthy 21% growth in tourist arrival in 2024 as compared to 2023, reaffirming our state's position as a preferred tourist destination. My government has launched a series of transformative digital and tourism initiatives. The newly launched initiatives include the rollout of free public Wi-Fi hotspots and 75 locations, ensuring seamless digital connectivity for residents across the state and operationalization of 11 4G BSNL towers across the state. This move aims to bridge the digital divide to remote regions, ensuring my government's vision of reliable and efficient internet access to all. Let us Goa portal launch is more than just a transformative leap for Goa's tourism industry, connecting local services, tourists and officials. It promotes innovation, growth and excellence. My government emphasizes the importance of these initiatives in driving digital inclusion, promoting smart governance and creating a modern tourism ecosystem. With these initiatives, I can state that our state is moving confidently into the future with the digital Goa under the visionary guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's Digital India program. From free Wi-Fi hotspots, particularly benefiting students, and 4G towers, ensuring seamless connectivity across the state, and let us Goa platform boosting tourism and local business. We are building a digitally inclusive and innovative Goa. The launch of these initiatives marks the milestone in Goa's journey towards becoming a digitally connected tourism-driven state, further strengthening its appeal as a destination that seamlessly blends tradition with technology. The government is in process of development of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Digital Museum at Farmagudi, Ponda, Goa. This digital museum aims to bring the life and legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to modern era, which will help to educate, inspire, captivate, and enrich patriotic attitude among visiting population. The Government of India has sanctioned rupees 97.46 crore for this project. My government has taken due care of all the weaker sections of society so that the benefit of welfare schemes reaches the doorstep of the needy so as to attain Antyodaya. Under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, 19,394.40 metric tons fortified rice has been distributed free of cost to Antyodaya, Anna Yojana and priority household beneficiaries during the current financial year up to November 2024. The Prime Minister SVA Nidhi scheme has provided affordable working capital loan to our street vendors. Altogether, rupees 5 crore has been disbursed as loan to 1,604 beneficiaries since inception of the scheme up to December 2024. My government has initiated steps to start a helpline in Goa for senior citizens. This helpline will focus on providing information to resolve cases of senior citizens, to offer guidance and emotional support. My government ensured that Forest Right Act 2006 is implemented in letter and spirit. A total of 2009 titles have been distributed in the year 2024. My government organized various events on the occasion of Janajadiya Gaurav Divas held on 15 November to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Bhagavan Birsa Munda. Mega events such as Janajadiya Gaurav Yatra from Patradevi to Kankana was organized to mark the occasion. My government is committed to upliftment of Divyangas. A separate department of empowerment of persons and disabilities has been created in the state. Goa is the first state to have a full-fledged ministry for persons with disabilities, which has been operational since April 2024. My government has provided unique disability ID cards to 10,416 Divyangas since 2019-20 till December 24. During the current financial year up to December 24, through PM Divyasa Kendra at Goa Medical College, 157 Divyangas have been provided 298 appliances under the assistive device to patients with disabilities scheme. All efforts are made by our government to ensure that women are empowered both economically and socially, thus contributing to gender equality. Under the supplementary nutrition program, an average of 54,876 beneficiaries received supplementary nutrition during 2024-25 up to November 2024. The developmental priorities of my government are well defined. I therefore call upon members of this august house to display their constructive spirit of supporting this progressive path and having a fruitful and productive session ahead to make our state Vikasit Goa. Before I conclude, I would once again mention that our double-engine Sarkar is committed in realizing the principles of Antyodaya, Gramodaya and Sarvodaya so as to become Vikasit Bharat, Vikasit Goa at 2047. Jai Hind, ജയ് ഭാരത്, ജയ് ഗോവ.